right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the this has been Welcome back to another video, and today we're actually going to start working on the small pieces that make a big difference. And I'm talking about some exterior parts and some interior parts, and I'm gonna showcase them in this video. And I'm very excited to show you guys because it's actually one of the most rare parts for the DC5, and I'm actually pretty happy because I'm gonna be adding it to this car. I always sold them on the store, but I've never had the need of adding it to the car, but I figured why not. Actually, let's jump right in it and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, check this out. This is an Integra Type R Modulo door sill. This is very rare. This is actually made of aluminum. It was never offered in the United States. I'm actually really happy to be featuring this because you guys have not seen this before. Some of you might have, but the majority probably not. This is a all aluminum construction, so it's a very nice aesthetic piece. It's a little heavier than the stock one, which is fully plastic, but this aluminum plate right here adds a beautiful accent and definitely stands out more than just the plate. We actually sell these Type S and Type R plates, and also the Integra. You can actually use your stock door sill. All you need to do is just remove this RSX piece and swap it out with the Integra Type S or a Integra Type R or just the Integra one. And these are the Integra Type S door sill plates that we have on the store. It's literally a stick-on metal plate with the engraved and logos in here. Peel this off and stick on. But in order to do that, we have to remove these. You're gonna need a heat gun, of course. You're gonna heat it up nice and gently without melting the actual plastic, so make sure you keep a nice safe distance.
Should I feel brand new? Feel brand new.
Alright guys, so there you have it. We have removed the plate. Don't touch, it's very hot. I actually burned myself a little bit. We're going to take our brand new emblem, which is actually a different color than the Type R, as you can see. The Type R one is silver, and this one is has like a beautiful gunmetal color. You can actually tell the difference right here. So we're gonna go ahead, peel the sticky side and drop it off just like that.
Man to the game, so if you catch me with a stack, that's bait. Woo! Usually rhyming is where you can find me. Ain't no wrong team, but the crew behind me. Fake friends kill me, but the truth divide me. Winning despite the fact you despise me. All I do is rep the homies, homie. I don't listen to words, you gotta show me. You ain't talking money, then you talking cheap. We a pack of wolves and we gotta eat.
Yeah. Feel brand new, brand new. Feel brand new, feel brand new. So we just finished installing the door sill plate, which looks amazing. I love how both contrast each other. We're going to remove the stock one out. You have clips, just transfer over the clips. Very simple, guys. Let me show you.
Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. I'm making sure they know me now, know me now, know me now. And I pray they never forget me. Ain't made it because they let me made a lane and I played the game. I couldn't stay the same, I had to change up. Get my change up before I lost my brain. Belly of the beast, no peace. Think I need a breeze. Somebody pray for me cause my sanity is out of reach. Going insane, I see me taking over the game. Could tell it's up in my brain, but I hear them yelling my name like, name like, name like. And I don't need the limelight, do it on my own. I do me, I bet I shine bright. On my headlight flow.
Alright guys, so now that we're done with the door sills, I actually want to replace these right here because they're very scratched from getting in and out for over 12 years. So I do have a replacement one right here. Pretty cool. And it's the same concept. It has the clips in the back, and all I'm doing is just swapping them out. So let's get started.
We just headed to the tippy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn it, I'm killing, I'm amped, and I slam it. Alley, one handed, big bandit. I feel champ. The champions never settle. I need a trophy, a medal to my name. Moving lanes, my foot be on the pedal. Get ahead, movement change. It's only cause I let you, homie. All I know is I ain't got to pretend. She put me in the top 10, how I got it in. Something burning inside like I gotta win.
Alright guys, so we are quickly moving into the inside of the car. Although I absolutely love the hybrid racing shift knob, and actually it's one of the best due to the teardrop design. It fits the hand really nice, so when you grab it, it just feels super comfortable. Dust black finish, it's just beautiful. It gives you a nice texture, but it's very smooth. With that being said guys, I'm gonna change it out because it's time for a change. I like changing things out in the interior just to keep the page moving, and you guys love change, so I personally love change as well. We're gonna do a beautiful addition to the interior. I decided to go with the S2000 CR shift knob, which comes with a beautiful yellow engraving, and it's gonna go well with the theme that I'm trying to go with, and it's gonna stand out a lot more than the black does. So we're gonna swap that out, but first we have to install the lock nut, and then we do install the shift knob.
Yeah. I'm sweating. Yeah.
Check it out guys. Let me see if I can block that shadow so you can see the, look at that. It looks awesome. You see it? It goes really well with the blue. It feels really good. It's a bowl style, so it's not the same as the teardrop, which gives you that extra grab, like in the lower two fingers here. So you know, it's the Type R style. It looks really good and it feels good as well. I like it. Let's move on to the next part. Even the license plate is gonna get some love. Changing some things out. As you can see, my old hardware is already faded. This used to be gold, and now it's aluminum and rusted. So these are authentic Mugen pieces, and it's gonna bolt on right here with the Honda Power of Dreams license plate frame.
Hey, hold up, man. I got something to say, man. Wait. What y'all out here for, man? What you here for, huh? Does your life matter? Does your life matter? You ready for this? You ready to take control? Are you giving up control, or are you taking control? Huh?
Do you see what I'm seeing? I'm seeing this ugly keyhole ruining all the body lines of this car. This thing is it's an eyesore, and I look at it every single day because it just stands out. It's the only aluminum like color that is located on the side of the car. We do have a solution for it, thankfully. We're going to start carrying them on the website. Are these covers right here. They actually push in and they block this hole right here, making it a seamless body line, and you're not gonna be able to see it. If you do need to get to it, whether your battery runs out or something that you need to use your actual key, make sure that you leave a little bit of room when you push it in. That way you can get it out with your nail. We're gonna have all the DC5 colors available on the website, and it's very easy to install. All you need to do is just push them in, and simple as that. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I told you it was gonna be a bunch of little things that make a big difference, and as you saw guys, that little button just completely eliminates that eyesore hole on the door and just makes it a beautiful seamless line. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure you visit the website, and also guys, stay tuned for more videos. I assure you, you're gonna love what's coming, and it's just gonna continue getting better and better. Also guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have lots of videos coming. Make sure you leave a comment on what you think of what's been changed so far, and I would love to hear your input. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until the next video, peace.
We gon' take it fast, you can take it slow. We don't take no risks, we just take control. Take control. Launch your flags, let's get it smashed. Go, take it. Take control. We gotta take control. Hands up, let's take control. Get on your feet, let's take control. Fight for what you know. Get on your feet, let's take control. This is the new wave. Be on boss, that drop out of school.